Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little upgrade to my Epson printer Stylus 1500. My Epson 1500 is a 3 years old printer. I've used the original cartridges in the beginning, but after that I found a new system. It was a continuous ink system, which I have it on my printer for the last 2 years. It was working very fine, but I was thinking about to buy empty cartridges and place them into the printer, so I'm gonna get rid of this one and see how it goes. You know, the original cartridges which they come up with the printer, they have inside for each color like 5 or 6 mil, and this is not enough, especially when you print a lot of photos. That's why I've used this continuous ink system, because like that you have like 100 ml of ink in each compartment and you can print like forever. Plus, the ink is not that expensive. I did remove the continuous ink system the other day. Basically, it was positioned this way to the printer. And I have here the original cartridges which belongs to that system. But because I had to keep the lid on all the time, I couldn't keep it locked because it was hitting the lid of the printer all the time. It was making like a weird noise. And I don't know, I was thinking like after 2 years, these plastic pipes will break. I bought these cartridges from eBay and I paid like £15 for all 6 of them. Before I used to buy from Amazon, but now because you have to pay like £20 every time when you buy something to get a free delivery. Let's open up these ones bit by bit. We have to fill them up with ink. Okay, I'm gonna open up each individual cartridge and we come back later. All the cartridges were sealed properly. Okay, we have all of them now. In order to fill up the cartridges, you need a syringe. This one here is the air intaker, but we're gonna leave it here at the moment. Later on, when you put the cartridge into the printer, you have to remove it in order to let the air to come into the cartridge. I'm gonna start with magenta. Now, because I have this ink left into this one, I'm gonna use the syringe to grab the ink from this one and paste it into the cartridge. Let's go for a full syringe. Make sure you have some tissues next to you all the time. Slowly, quite control. You're gonna put the ink inside. Okay, so I've just put like about 10 mil. So it will be 10 mil in each cartridge. Make sure you fill it up properly, otherwise you're gonna start with like not a full cartridge. Now I have to cover the refill hole. Yeah, no worries, because you have this side sealed. The ink is not gonna come off yet. And I'm gonna carry on with the other colors. I marked up my syringes because I don't want to mix up the colors. For instance, cyan with light cyan or magenta with light magenta, and start to fill it up. By the way, you should wear gloves when you do this job. Yeah, you have to be careful when you remove this lid, not to make a hole in it. Maybe you can use it later on, so why not? Keep it intact. Let's go for yellow. It's a curious thing because yellow looks like red, but yeah, it's yellow. It's yellow like a daylight. Yellow is done, so yeah, the cartridge needs to be filled up at least to this point. I still don't understand why the original cartridges are costing so much. The price is so high. I don't get it. When you can buy 600 ml with like between 15 and 20 pounds. Aftermarket cartridges, 6 of them will cost like 20 pounds, but if you buy the original ones, I bet you pay more. And don't forget, on each cartridge you have like 7 or maximum 10 ml of ink, when you can pay 15 pounds and you have 600 ml of ink, plus syringes, plus this and that. But anyway, hey ho, it's light magenta. This is happen when you don't wear gloves, so do not do exactly what I'm doing. Okay, now all 6 of them are ready to take place into my printer. Let's remove the old cartridges. In order to do that, you have to press this button, the drop sign, and the cartridges are gonna stop here. Let's take them out. Make sure when you install them you hear that click, like this one. And of course, before you start, don't forget to remove air cover, so you let the air go inside the cartridges. Okay, let's try to print something. I'm pretty much sure it's not gonna print, but yeah, let's see. We're gonna go to printing preferences and go to maintenance, and then let's do nozzle check first. No head cleaning, but nozzle check and see what's come off after this one. Oh, that's not bad for first time. So we have a little bit. You have yellow, black, just a little bit of light red or magenta actually. Okay, now let's do head cleaning and let's see what's gonna be the result after. Okay, the head cleaning is done. Let's do a print nozzle check pattern. Print. Okay, it's printing now. Okay, let's see. We got the yellow, but I don't know, somehow got a bit of black in here. Black looks nearly done. Blue looks okay. Light magenta, close to okay. Then we have magenta and the blue one. We still have to carry on with the head cleaning for better results. Let's do it one more time. It's curious how come, if you can see here, there is like so dirty my fingers. Looks like you have 3 lines of red color into blue one and 3 black ones into yellow. I've never seen that before. That was print number 1. Number 2 is there in the printer. Let's do another print nozzle check pattern. Okay, I would say it's getting better. So we got, oh, basically I print on top of the other one. Let's do it again. Okay, that's the real print number 3. Okay, we've got the yellow, black. Yeah, it's getting better and better. That's print number 3. Let's put a sign here. I'm so confident that it's gonna work because we've done everything by the book. So everything is gonna be okay. Okay, head cleaning number 4 is done. Let's do a print check. Okay, yeah, so it looks okay, not bad. Oh, the cartridges are hiding. I still have to clean a little bit on the black one here, but the other ones looks pretty much okay. Just a little bit here on top. Head cleaning number 5. Let's see how it goes after this one. Still a few things to do on the black one. The other ones all look okay. But you know what? I'm gonna try to print a picture to see how it goes on that one. Okay, let's go into Photoshop and choose a picture. I'm gonna print on a plain paper, not on a glossy one. Okay, let's pick up this one, why not? Let's try to print it. Okay, go to print. And go print settings, Photoshop manager. Okay, print this one. Yeah, let's see how it goes after this one. Yeah, doesn't look bad, but it's not okay because of those missing lines. As you can see here, I have few lines too. We need to sort it out, those lines. I'll leave the printer for 10 minutes and then after that I'll proceed with another head cleaning. So see you in a bit then. Yeah, I'm back again after I left the printer to take a break for like more than 10 minutes. So we're gonna go for settings and proceed to head cleaning. Let's turn the printer on. You know, I'm so happy because after all these 5 times of trying to clean up the heads, I get no error from the new cartridges, which is quite good. No headache. Probably saw on my video this camera too. Canon G7X Mark II. A very, very strong camera. But as I promised on another video, and I'm promising this one, I'm gonna make a separate video about this strong camera and why this Canon G7X Mark II is a beast for me. Okay, let's print nozzle check button. That's gonna be for the 6th time. There we have everything in here. Okay. Well. Doesn't look nice, huh? What do you reckon? So we got a clear yellow, a clear black, a light cyan, a light magenta, a nice magenta, and a proper cyan. So yeah, we made it. As I said, do not try to use the printer too much. Do not do too many head cleaning. I mean like nozzle checks and head cleaning at the same time. Do it for 4, 5, 6 times maximum, and then after that you have to stop. Give it a 5 minutes or 10 minutes break to the printer and then try again. And as you can see the results, now it's printing okay with no missing lines, no mixed colors. And to ensure that everything is fine, let's put this paper back on and let's do another printing, the boom party, to ensure that everything is in order. I'm so happy that I get rid of these little cartridges. Yeah, don't get me wrong, as I said, I was so happy with this system, but now it's time for a change. And oh, it looks okay, looks nice, looks good. Woo. Job done. Yeah, looks nice, looks nice. That's quite a nice and proper print. Yeah, you see, no missing lines. The print looks okay. Imagine how the photos are gonna look. I think I was not in the images at all, but anyway. This is happen when you use a telephone to record the images and not a vlogging camera. I cannot see myself when I'm recording. But hey ho, tally ho, my assistant is at sleep now. I'm talking about Raresh, so I'm trying to do this job by myself. Yeah, so if I can do it, of course you can do it. Before I end up this video, I'll show you some images with what I've printed before with this ink and with this continuous ink system. Some photos. I think that's it. Don't forget to wear gloves when you do this job so you don't have this kind of hands at the end of the job. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.